Welcome to Vacuforce. Do you or your customers get involved in granite, marble, quartz, or other stone machining? If so, Vacuforce is very pleased to offer the new vacuum pod system. This Vacuforce vacuum pod design is unique in the industry and offers an engineered solution to common problems that are encountered by stone machining companies. The very first thing you'll notice is that the Vacuforce pod system is manufactured from hard anodized polished aluminum. This offers the user a clean surface, which of course is easy to clean and does not tarnish over time. You will also notice that the Vacuforce pod is identical on the opposing grip surfaces. This means that it has the same amount of grip force on both the machine table and the workpiece being held in position. The first major feature to be aware of is the nitrile rubber vacuum seal. This vacuum seal simply pushes into the channel surrounding the adhesion pad. Clean corners and simple to remove and replace, this vacuum seal is longer lasting than the foam rubber cord, often used on vacuum pods. As explained earlier, due to the exact same surface on both sides of the vacuum pod, the vacuum seal is used in clamping to the machine table and also the part being machined. The next significant design feature is the Vacuforce grip or adhesion pad. Let's remove the retaining bolts for closer inspection. Now, you can simply lift the grip pad from the base. The grip pad is used to prevent movement of both the vacuum pod and the workpiece. When machining natural stone, such as marble or granite, the vertical holding force is nowhere near as important as the shear force resistance offered by the vacuum pods being used. The unique Vacuforce grip pads utilize an array of hard, rubber, grip fingers. These grip fingers offer an incredible level of side load, or shear force, resistance. Not only do they offer shear force resistance, they also have wear indicators. When these 45-degree chamfers start to wear down, it is time to consider changing the grip pad. Of course, you do not have to change the complete pod, just the grip pad. 4 bolts, and you are done. The simple, rugged construction, with an excellent holding force, the Vacuforce pods are available in various sizes and a height of 105 mm is standard. Of course, other heights are available, and we encourage you to contact us at either Vacuforce or newforce.com.